Hello guys, Rafiq is here from USOF. Now I want to explain about using relationship on Badaso CRUD management. Here you can create a relationship between CRUD forms and connect the data to each other. Let's head to the CRUD management menu. In the previous video, we already created a CRUD form for the food categories table. Now we will create a CRUD forms for foods table and use food categories data to fill the food category ID for the relation. Then click three dots on the right side and add CRUD to this table. You can configure as we already explained in the previous video, but for now we will focus on food category ID field right here. On input type, we will choose relation. Just scroll down here and select relation. After we choose relation, the button will appear in optional details column called set relation, and then click the button. A dialog pop-up will show up and we can set a relation here. For the example, on the relation type, we will choose belongs to. And then for destination table, we will select food categories. And then for destination column, select ID, and then destination column to display, choose name. Okay, now we can save the relation configuration and save the whole CRUD configuration. Click save. Next, we can test the CRUD form for the foods table that contain the relation configuration that we already configured. To check the relation is working or not, we will try to add data to this table. Right here, action, then click add. Then we can fill all the available fields as usual, but we'll focus to the food category field. As we can see, we have drop down input right here. And we can click the drop down and see all the available food categories based on food categories table. Okay, for example, we choose Indonesia and the food name is rendang, and then click save. As we can see, the data already added and food table already connect. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, just comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.